Hi guys, so that's my water is on the fire. We'll be putting our cotton blend inside, guys. Sorry guys, so we'll be putting our cotton blend inside. I want to show you how we cook the cotton blend. So that's it. Now I hold my camera with my one hand. Okay. So guys, that's it. So that's our cotton blend. Okay guys, that's it. This is the way I cook cotton blend in my own way. Okay, everybody have his own way that he cook it. So this is my way I cook it. This is the way I cook it. Okay guys. This is the way I cook it on my way. Okay guys. This is going to my YouTube channel. Okay guys. This cotton blend is going to my YouTube channel. The video. So this is the way I cook my cotton blend. Sorry guys. This is the way I cook it. So you see guys, that's it. I don't even make it to boil. So that's it. It will cook very soon. To cook very soon guys. So you see, this is the way I cook my cotton blend. It will be boiling. It will be boiling goodly guys. Then sorry, I will be putting it in my YouTube channel. I want to leave the camera down here so that we're going to do something outside there. I'm also going to do something. So I take my camera. I'll be pouring it inside here. guys, that's my cotton blade. Looking so goodly. You see guys, it's looking good, right? It will not boil because I don't want it to cook good. Like this is okay for me. That's the way I do my cotton blade. Yeah, it's cooked for me. So I will move it on fire now. So guys, that's it. It's good already now. So I will be removing it on fire right now. I have my frying pan here. I have my plate here. I will be pouring it inside. So guys, you see, we will be pouring it inside. So let's have our camera here, guys. I want you to see everything. So let me put my camera here. That's the plate. I'll be pouring it inside. Okay, guys. So you see guys, so that's it. So guys, that's it. So guys, that's it. This is the way I cook my cotton blade. Okay, very simple, very good and green, so green. It's only salt I put inside the water. I didn't put a cam. Baking soda, no, I didn't put baking soda. So that's it guys, you see. So that's the way I cook Ghanaian cotton blade. Okay guys, I hope you guys love it. And this is the way we cook Ghanaian cotton blade. See how it's looking green, looking so sweet, looking so nice, green. Very green, very green. You see guys, so green, so green, 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 so green. You see guys, I love you guys. So see you in my next video. Bye bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.